guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be bleaching my eyebrows. So these very dark caterpillars on my face will be blonde by the end of this video, I hope. So yeah, I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. So I have right here the Quick Blue. I used to have like a big tub of bleach, but I ran out of it on the last person that I bleached their hair. So I just went and I got this little package, and then I have, it's kind of gross, I'm sorry, but this Matrix 10 volume, because you don't want to use an extremely strong developer on your eyebrows because they're your eyebrows and they're little delicate little babies. We don't want to burn them off. We're just going to go ahead and get into it. So we got scissors. My pants are so loud. They're like squeaky pants. I'm going to put... Hold on. You don't need to inhale all of that. But I'm going to go ahead and then mix, I believe, I don't know what the ratio is, but when I bleach other people's hairs, I've done 50-50, like on their head, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, so I think I got a really good consistency going on here. I'm just going to like make it into like one big pile. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little headband on so that we make sure that I don't bleach any of my hairs on my head, because that would be bad. I don't know if I'm ready. I'm going to go in with a Q-tip and just... Oh! This is scary because they're going to be blonde. And then I'm going to have to dye them black. So I'm actually going to tell you the reason why I'm doing this, because I didn't explain it. I've always wanted to, but I work at a job that I probably shouldn't have bleached eyebrows. And I have an entire week off of work. So that's why I'm doing it right now. So that means in a week I will have to dye my eyebrows back to black. Like Amy Winehouse. So, yeah. It's fine. So now I'm gonna be brushing it into my eyebrows. Okay, so all the bleach is on. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some Trader Joe's ramen. So good. I'm just gonna be checking up on them, just looking through to see if the hairs are catching. So yeah. Okay, so I still have a little bit of bleach on because there's parts of my eyebrows that you can see did not lift well. It's a little concerning, but it's okay because we're going to be toning it, and I think that with the toner it will help it look more cohesive. I'm just going to go ahead and wash out the bleach in like a few seconds because some parts are like super light and I don't want them to be that light. So yeah, don't worry, it's gonna turn out fine. I'm not worried. Okay, so I know that they don't look that much lighter, but they are actually a lot lighter than my natural eyebrows, and I think it came out pretty good. I think that they came out really, really cute. Yeah. I think I could actually go to work like this and not get fired, so maybe they'll last longer than a week. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will say, using a toner over the eyebrows once you're done will really help them give a little bit of color, and it doesn't look as uneven as it did before, so that's good. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.